Every year, hundreds of millions of athletic shoes are manufactured. Today we're stepping inside a factory that produces high-performance footwear for one of.
From raw materials to finished sneakers, every pair passes through dozens of carefully engineered manufacturing stages. What looks like a simple sneaker is actually the result of precision engineering, advanced machinery, and skilled craftsmanship. Every shoe begins as a digital design, where engineers carefully balance comfort, performance, durability, and style. Designers create each component digitally before a single material is cut inside the factory.
Prototype samples undergo repeated testing before receiving approval for mass production.
Production begins with carefully selected materials, including engineered mesh, synthetic leather, EVA foam, and durable rubber. Every material is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards before entering the manufacturing line. Computer-controlled cutting machines transform digital designs into perfectly shaped shoe components. Automation allows hundreds of identical parts to be produced every hour with remarkable accuracy. Automation allows hundreds of identical parts to be produced every hour with remarkable accuracy. Each cut piece is carefully sorted before moving to the stitching department. The next stage transforms individual fabric pieces into the recognizable upper section of the athletic shoe. Experienced operators stitch together dozens of precision-cut components to form the shoe's upper. Every stitch must be perfectly aligned to ensure comfort, durability, and long-lasting performance. Each completed upper is carefully inspected before moving to the next production stage. Logos, decorative graphics, and performance markings are added using advanced printing technology. Heat transfer systems permanently bond graphics without affecting the flexibility of the material. Support structures are added to improve stability and protect high-impact areas. Robotic arms load rubber into industrial molding presses. Meanwhile, another production line manufactures the shoe's durable outsole. High-pressure molding transforms raw rubber into durable traction patterns. After molding, each sole cools under controlled conditions to maintain its exact shape. Lightweight foam midsoles are produced separately to provide cushioning and energy return. Robotic blades trim sole edges with precision. Automated finishing machines remove excess material to create perfectly shaped components. Now both the upper and sole are ready for one of the most important stages: final assembly. The stitched upper is carefully stretched over a foot-shaped mold known as a last. Industrial adhesives are applied with precision to ensure a secure bond. The upper and sole are joined together with millimeter-level accuracy. Hydraulic presses apply consistent pressure, creating an exceptionally strong connection. Heat activates specialized adhesives, permanently bonding the shoe together. The shoes cool naturally before entering the finishing department. Comfortable insoles are installed to improve support and fit. Automated systems quickly install laces while maintaining perfect consistency. Every pair is carefully cleaned to remove dust and manufacturing residue. Each finished shoe is visually inspected for flawless appearance.
Advanced scanners verify that every measurement matches engineering specifications.
The manufacturing process is nearly complete, but one critical step still remains. Quality control specialists examine every detail before approving each pair.
Flexibility testing ensures every shoe performs under repeated movement.
Mechanical testing confirms cushioning and structural strength. Even the smallest stitching imperfections are carefully identified. Only products that meet strict quality standards continue to packaging.
Each approved pair is carefully prepared for shipment.
Automated systems assemble packaging with impressive speed and precision. Every box receives identification labels for global distribution. Forklifts move inventory. Finished products are stored inside massive distribution warehouses.
From here, millions of shoes begin their journey to stores around the world.
A global logistics network delivers these athletic shoes to customers across nearly every continent. From digital design to worldwide delivery, every pair represents the combined effort of advanced technology, skilled craftsmanship, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more factory documentaries.